Hi, Shayla WTI, and if you suffer from too many things on your vanity syndrome like I do, let me show you what you need. LZDMY just really knocked it out of the park with this amazing cosmetic organizer. I love how big it is. It's a very large capacity, so it's going to hold just about everything you need on your bathroom vanity. Look at it. It is gorgeous. This thing has all the room, all the compartments. It is just crazy how much room it has. And I love that it has that domed lid. So it is a dustproof cover. So keeping all the dust and debris and everything out of your cosmetics, your brushes, whatever you're holding in there. And I mean, look at this, layers and layers and drawers and doors, you name it, it's got it. So it's a very huge capacity, gonna hold everything you possibly need, really just helping to declutter your situation. I have a very small bathroom vanity and I have way too much stuff. As you can see, I kind of had stuff everywhere. So I love that I am able to not only put everything into this one space to put on my bathroom counter, but I can see it. I can see what's in there. I can see where it's at. It's very organized. And to me, that is very aesthetically pleasing. So I am absolutely in love with this cosmetic organizer. It has done everything I needed it to do, and it just looks incredible. So if you are like me and you have more makeup and skincare than you do space on your vanity in the bathroom, this makeup organizer is so perfect for you. I love mine. I love that it has everything in one spot and it's nice and neat, and it gets rid of all the clutter off my bathroom vanity, and that is my point of view.